Welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Guys, today I'm bringing to you a comparison between two solo loops. One is an older one and it has been replaced by a new one. So the one that I'm talking about is the Ginger solo loop, and it has been replaced with the Lemon Zest solo loop. So if you want to guess which one it is, you can probably do that by the one that looks a bit older, which is this one, which is the Ginger, whereas this is the Lemon Zest. They're exactly the same color in my opinion. The Lemon Zest is a tiny bit fainter, whereas the Ginger is a bit more pronounced when you're comparing both of them side to side. However, when you have it on your Apple Watch, I don't think you can tell the difference. In my opinion, it's just a rebranding of the word and just a tiny shade difference. To the naked eye, it looks a tiny bit different as well. I don't know if it's showing up as on the camera as much, but I just wanted to make a quick short video in comparing both the colors for you guys. Thank you for watching it to the end. Take good care. Bye bye.